Welcome back, class. I hope you had a nice Super Bowl weekend. Celebrating the Super Bowl, we're going to try to find the meaning of this unknown word here underlined on the smartboard. The Super Bowl fans hollered loudly when a touchdown was made. I'd like you to talk to a partner quietly and put your thumb up when you think you have a word that could be replace hollered. Take about 40 seconds, please. All right. I see a lot of you are patiently waiting. Yeah, Lisa, did you have one?
Screamed.
Screamed. The Super Bowl fans hollered loudly when a touchdown was made. Nice job, Lisa. So hollered and screamed are synonyms. Today we'll be introducing synonyms and as a tool that you can use when you come upon words that you do not know. Synonyms are words that have similar meaning. So watch me think. Big. Big. Huge. Let's try huge. Another word that means the same thing as big is huge. Big and huge are synonyms. Let's try another one. Large. Another word that means the same thing as big is large. Big, huge, and large are synonyms. Now I'm going to have you guys try. Small. Raise your hand if you think you know a synonym for small. Yeah, Leo?
Tiny.
Tiny. Yes, another word that means the same thing as small is tiny. Does anyone else have another one, synonym for small? Yes, Josh?
Another word that means the same thing as small is little.
Nice job. Little. Small, tiny, and little are synonyms. Now we'll try the next one. Nice. Who would like to take a stab at nice, a synonym of nice? Yeah, Jerry?
Another word that means the same thing as nice is kind.
Perfect. Nice job. Kind. Yeah, Lisa, I saw you had your hand up too.
Friendly.
Friendly. Another word that means the same thing as nice is friendly. Nice job. Friendly, kind, and nice are synonyms. Alright, so when readers come upon words that they are unfamiliar with, they stop and use their tools, in this case we're using synonyms, to find the meaning of that unknown word. So watch me. As I walked outside, I felt the frigid temperature. Frigid temperature. Cold. Let's try cold. As I walked outside, I felt the cold temperature. I pulled my scarf up over my face and zipped my jacket tight to keep me warm. I would say cold fits pretty well there, class. Alright, watch me and listen to me think again. The next day, Rabbit was so excited that he was waiting on top of the hill by noontime. He waited and waited as the sun moved slowly across the sky. Finally, just as the sun slipped down in the west and the moon rose in the east, Crane swooped in on his great wings. Swooped. I've never heard that. I remember reading this in the book, The Rabbit and the Crane, but I'm not too sure what that meaning is. Swooped. Let's try flew. Finally, just as the sun slipped down in the west and the moon rose in the east, Crane flew in on his great wings. Perfect. I'd say flew is a good replacement, or synonym, I should say, of swooped. Any questions? No? Okay. Alright, now I'm going to read the sentence, and you're going to help me think of a synonym of the highlighted word. And this is, again, is from The Rabbit and the Crane, the book that we are reading in class. Finally, Rabbit felt something under his hind feet. "It's all right, Rabbit," said Crane. "We are on the moon. You can let go of my legs now." Slowly, Rabbit let go. His paws were stiff and sore and tinged red with blood. Ooh, blood. Tinged red with blood. Tinged. Let's try stained. Slowly, Rabbit let go. His paws were stiff and sore and stained red with blood. I'd say that works pretty well. Does anyone have another suggestion or a synonym that they would like to use? Yeah, Lisa?
Colored.
Colored. His paws were stiff and sore and colored red with blood. Perfect. Nice job, Lisa. Any questions, guys? You getting this? Okay, Jack, I know you like this. Alright, now I want you to take a minute and try to find a synonym of the highlighted word independently. And put a thumb up on your desk when you think you're ready to move on. Alright, so I'll read it aloud. Anne made herself a cup of hot tea. Then the phone rang. She went to answer it. After 15 minutes on the phone, she finally got back to her tea. But it was no longer hot. It was tepid. Who'd like to take a stab at this one? Yeah, Jerry?
Well, tepid might mean cold.
Alright, let's try that. But it was no longer hot. It was cold. I'd say that fits pretty appropriately. It's obviously not hot anymore, so it would either be warm or cold. So, nice job, Jerry. That's a good answer. What else could it be? Like I said, it could be warm. There are many synonyms, and that's the thing. There's not just one right answer in finding a synonym for these words. There are many possible outcomes here. All right. So again, what we've learned so far today is that when we come upon words that we're unfamiliar with, we need to use tools to find the meaning of those words. And again, today we're learning about synonyms. So how well did you guys learn today? Put a 3 up if you understand everything. Put a 2 up if you think you understand but still need a little more practice. And put a 1 up if you're really confused. Alright, Lisa, I see you have your 3 up. You can go over and read independently, all of you with a 3. And then I see a few of you are still a little uncertain. We'll go over and do a little more practice, and we'll conquer this. Have a good day, class.